Hey guys! Welcome back to Jalen Games. We're going to be playing epic mini games. We're going to be connected to Roblox. And so yeah, just connected. I do not know what's going on. It's weird, but it's starting Roblox, so we're going to get in the name. Oh yeah, now we're in. We're going to be playing epic mini games that you can see on the title. Oh, we already started? I didn't even know, and I can't even see my character. I couldn't even see my character. Because I just joined. Oh, wait. Forgot to say, like the video and subscribe. I can't see myself as my recipe be set in, then I have to wait 30 seconds to the game. My thing's not loading. Don't know why, guys. Don't know why. Like, I can't see myself. Maybe resetting. Nothing's working, I guess. Well, few people won, that's what I can say. 10 seconds to the game has started. Oh, I finally loaded in. Join JB Gaming for giveaways for Robux. Minigame chosen Haunted Hallways. Oh, I love this game. I love this one. 5 seconds. I'm just gonna walk around. This is my character. If you haven't seen, I played Minecraft on this channel. I uploaded that. Oh, here we go. I gotta finish it. Be the first to find your way out of the mansion. I think I'm gonna win. Pretty sure. Oh my god, I guessed it. Delightful. It's that room, no! I'm so gonna lose because I went the other way, and it's that room. I guess I'm just following people here now. No, I lost. Ugh, it was doing pretty good. It was doing pretty good, I guess. Oh god, my thing glitched out. Okay, there we go. What is it? Skewer Shuffle. Don't think I played this before, but I guess I am. I think I never played this game. I played Epic Minigames. I never played Skewer Shuffle. Let's try it out. Oh, I've played this. I didn't know what it meant. Oh god. I do not know what to do. Ooh, ooh. Okay, good. I'm protected. Looks like somebody died. Ooh, I was about to die. I could have stand. I don't know why I just stayed there. It would have been easier. Pretty easy. I could just stay here. Boom, boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka. Okay, okay, I'm safe. I'm pretty much safe. Go here. I almost died. Hmm. I did not even see it. Oh, well, they won. I could have won. I'm gonna play the flute. Now I'm gonna drink my drink, and now I'm gonna play the flute. Play the flute. I don't like purchasing anything in this game. Oh, laser guidance. Sometimes they guidance, but it's pretty easy. Here we go. I don't know. It starts in 5 seconds. Who's the controller? Oh, that. I never get to be the controller. Never. Literally never. Yeah, I just got hurt because I'm terrible at this one. I think I should stay. I don't know which way. He's gonna guide it, and I'm not even gonna die because I'm just gonna stay here, and then it switches. Oh, that was my point. So I just stay here so I don't die. I don't even know why. I just went over there. That was your risk. Oh my god, I saved myself. I saved myself from dying. Oh god. Let's say I'm doing good. Oh god. Okay, it's coming. 3 seconds, so I win. I win. Yeah, I win. So I got 58 wins leveling. I need 14 more wins to go to level 9. Yeah. So now what's the map going to be chosen? The Crusher. Ooh, I think I'm pretty good. The Crusher room. I think I'm pretty good at this one. I'm not sure. Not entirely sure. Because I played it once, but I died in all the times. But I think I can do good in this one. Oh, here we go. It's this one starting off in this blue. We got 5 seconds till we start. I'm not going to be crushed this time. Where is it? I think it was over there. Yes. Oh, I didn't get it. It was over there. No one survived. Everybody died. Wow, that's surprising. Sorry about my dog barking. It's like very noisy in my house. And yeah, so here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 9 seconds. We teleport in 5 seconds. Okay, slide in. Okay. I think I'm in first. No. No. No, I'm in second. I need to be, of course, and finish the line. I think I'm going to do pretty good because where am I? Oh, they're behind me. Oh, God. Behind, oh, no, I think I'm in up now. I'm first. Nobody's going to pass me up. Nobody's going to pass. Oh, I just got passed up by 2 people. And they have a toy following us. But I'll get there. 12 seconds. I think I can get there. Yep, I passed. 5 seconds. Who's going to do it? Who's going to do it? Hey, I made it. Hey. I made it. Yeah. What's the next map? Hard press. Ooh, okay. What is this? Oh, I see. I have like allergies during this season. Sorry for seeing. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ooh, this is gonna be hard. Where am I? Where am I? Oh, God, we started. Oh, that wasn't me. Oh, I forgot we're moving. We're moving. I haven't even gotten. Oh, God. Oh, God. I'm gonna move over here. Nope, there we go. He's gonna get crushed. Nope, we're going this way now. We're going this way. I think I'm gonna survive because this is the easiest thing. Oh, God. This is easy. It's like the easiest thing. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah, I survived again. This is so easy. Probably do like 2 more rounds or 3 because yeah. I'm gonna jump around the choose map. I actually love this on Star Wars. Ground. Oh, this one's kind of hard but easy at the same time. Unless you don't pay attention, you just die. So yeah. Go join the group, JB Gaming. It's by by my other partner, Brandon Galaxy Batman 158. Okay, 5 seconds. Well, this is a pretty easy thing. I'll probably do 1 round after this. Oh god. Stay alive. Well, I am staying alive. Just gotta make sure I don't see anything pop up that I do not see. Oh, that just popped. Oh my god, I don't know if I can survive. Gonna be hard. Oh, I'm surviving so far. And I walked right into a laser. What is new? It's pretty hard once they get really fast. Let's go over here. I think I'm gonna play my flute. Play my flute. I'm gonna go by the slide because they're 15 seconds. Gotta climb up. Gotta climb up. Like there's 5 seconds. Let's see who survived. I'm sure not a lot of people survive. Oh, that's pretty much a lot. Now I gotta wait for another round. It's probably the last round I'm gonna do now. And yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. This is pretty easy, but it gets hard when it gets fast. 10 seconds to be start. Just gonna circle around. I'm gonna probably play my flute. I play so good my flute. I actually play. Let's go here. Pretty hard when you think about it. Did we start? Oh, mine didn't shake yet. The one I'm standing on did not shake yet. I'm lucky. Lucky me. Just gonna stay here to shake. Probably on a lucky block. Not lucky block from Minecraft. And mine almost died. 30 seconds and I'm still alive. That's pretty good. Oh god. Oh, that was like a save right there. I did a big save. Oh. Seconds. 5 seconds. And bam, I won. Yeah. There was 1, 2, 3. I think there was like 3 people of us who won. Well, guys, that's it for the video. Like and subscribe. Bye.